The following webinar is a demonstration on how to navigate Health Passport. Health Passport is a patient-centered, internet-based health record. It makes a foster child's information available to authorized providers and medical stakeholders, such as medical consenters and caseworkers. The data in Health Passport is not a person's complete medical record, but it does contain information on patient demographics, such as doctor visits from submitted claims, allergies, lab test results, immunizations, and filled medications. There are also electronic Texas Health Steps, dental, and behavioral health forms available through Health Passport. To access Health Passport, visit fostercaretx.com, click Login, select your role, use the Create an Account button to register and create a secure account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, click Launch Health Passport to open the application. Every time you log into Health Passport, the user agreement and disclaimer will display. Scroll down to review the user agreement and disclaimer and click I have read and agree to these terms to continue. If you have an assigned caseload, you will see your member list populated above Member Search. This is a quick and easy way to identify members that are assigned to your caseload. If you do not have a member list, you will see there are no cases available to display. Please use Member Search to access member information. To search for a member, enter the member's first and last name, followed by the DFPS ID, Medicaid ID, or Social Security number. Only enter the first few letters of the member's first and last name to search. Click Search to start the search. Any member currently eligible for foster care is searchable in Health Passport, and their health record is viewable online. Contact the health plan to obtain any information related to members who once were enrolled in foster care but are not currently eligible. Contact information is available at the end of this presentation. Click View Profile to open the health record. Every member's health record will contain 12 modules. These modules encompass a range of information and are accessible using the navigation buttons to the left. A module is one section of information found within the member's health record and will be a term used throughout this presentation. The face sheet is the first module. It provides an easy-to-read summary of the member's health record, focusing on key information that is critical for providers at the point of care. Important demographic information is shown in the face sheet module, as well as a list of care gaps, Texas Health Steps last visit date, last dental visit date, the last 5 diagnoses and procedures, active allergies, and recently prescribed medications. Recent medications are those prescribed in the last 90 days. The ID card module contains the ID card for the member. In this module, you can view the ID card, save the ID card as an image, or print the ID card. The ID card includes the member's information, primary care provider information, if applicable, and the pharmacy information. The Contacts module conveniently lists the foster child's PCP, medical consenter or consenters, caregiver, caseworker, and service coordinator in one place. Keep in mind that a listed caregiver is not always a medical consenter. A contact listed as a medical consenter can make medical decisions and therefore may appear twice on this list, once as a caregiver and once as a medical consenter. Refer to the list to ensure the appropriate individual to call concerning the member's care. The Allergies module contains all allergies for a member entered by providers. Once an allergy is in the chart, it checks instantly for interactions against the medication history. Interactions with medications will indicate the red triangle exclamation symbol next to the reaction of the allergy. Click the down arrow next to the allergy to view more information, including the severity of the reaction, first occurrence date, and who it was recorded by. A resolved allergy will appear below active allergies. Resolved allergies are those the member are no longer experiencing. The Assessments module contains behavioral screenings, COVID-19 lab results, Texas Health Steps, Superior Member Service Plans, CANS, COVID-19 vaccine, physical health, dental, and other forms. The assessment name, completed by, and reviewed columns are viewable and available for sorting. To search for an assessment, use the search bar. This may be an ideal option for those members with a longer history of forms, as the search bar will narrow down the shown assessment results. View the details and contents of a form by clicking the specific assessment name. A new window will open that contains the respective assessment's details if it was completed within Health Passport, or the assessment will download to your browser if it was faxed or uploaded. The Growth Chart module is for providers to record weight, height, and head circumference to track the growth of infants and children. BMI is calculated based on measurements entered. Comments and other details can be viewed by clicking on the date of a given growth chart entry. The Immunizations module provides a list of immunizations the child or youth has received and was reported to MTRAC, the Texas Immunization Registry. Sort immunizations by the date administered, immunization, or their member age by clicking on the column titles to view the change. Additional pages of immunizations are viewable by clicking the next, last, or the respective page number at the bottom of the module. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to view care gaps. The care gaps will include gaps in care the member has, including missing immunizations. The Resources section houses links to the child, adolescent, adult, and catch-up immunization schedules provided by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Labs module contains lab results for the member. Filter labs by a category using the Filter Category drop-down menu. Sort labs by the test, category, or the date by clicking on the column titles to change the view. View details of each lab by clicking the down arrow next to the lab test. View additional pages of labs by clicking Next, Last, or the respective page number at the bottom of the module. The Medication History module provides a summary of medication prescriptions filled and picked up. If there is a medication to medication and/or allergy to medication interaction, a red symbol to the far right of the medication will display. To get more details on the medication interaction, view additional medication details by clicking the down arrow next to the latest fill date and then Medication Details. Medication History will have additional prescriber and pharmacy information, the medication's reference documents if applicable, and refill history. Patient History displays visit details collected from claims data for all services rendered, paid, or denied. View information for each visit by expanding the visit and clicking View Visit Details. Sort patient history by visit date, primary diagnosis, and billed by clicking the respective column header at the top. The Diagnosis tab lists patient history by diagnosis. Sort this information by diagnosis, service date, and billed by clicking the respective column header at the top. View additional information by clicking the diagnosis. The Procedure tab lists patient history by procedure. Sort this information by procedure, service date, and billed by clicking the respective column header at the top. View additional information by clicking the procedure. Claims data is all services rendered, paid, or denied. Users should not use this module as a tool for claims payments. Providers have 95 days to bill, and the health plan has 30 days to process before claims will load to Health Passport. Please keep this in mind when looking for visits in the application. The ADT module is for users to view admission, discharge, and transfer data from select health information exchange vendors. The Appointments module is for providers to add upcoming appointments. Details of the appointment are shown, but additional information can be viewed by expanding the appointment entry. Other tools in the application include printing a member's full record by clicking the Print All in the upper right corner. The record will display in PDF form and will be made available to print. To print a single module, click the Print, Save, or Print button below the Print All link in any of the modules. The record will again display in PDF form and be made available to print. The following tools are available in a few of the modules. Export as CSV will display the module's information in an Excel file. The Excel file is made available to filter and/or print. The search bar provides the ability to narrow down information to a keyword, term, or a few letters. This allows the user to quickly find specific information. Use the date range filter to filter information to 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, or 10 years. There is also an option to enter a custom date. View as Cards provides the module's information in a tile view. To toggle back to the default view, click View as Table. Both views will provide the same information. This completes the Health Passport demonstration. For more information, please visit our website at superiorhealthplan.com. For support, email tx.passportadministration@superiorhealthplan.com or call 1-866-714-7996.